Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us learn about one more interesting service with a real-time example. Let's say I have a automobile company where I will provide my vehicles for rent. I will provide my vehicles for rent. From those vehicles, whenever a user pick a vehicle and he returns the vehicle, then I'll put some data into my database. Let's say it will be DynamoDB, or else you can say whenever a user rents, whenever a user rents a vehicle and he used it for certain duration of time and he again returned that vehicle. So during that time, I'll enter that data inside my web portal. Let's say inside my application, I'll put the data where that application will send the data to this Lambda function. In order to process the data, that will send the data to this Lambda function. This Lambda function is nothing but producer. I'm providing the name for this Lambda function as producer. And whenever data received to this Lambda function, I am storing that data in my DynamoDB. Now, what I am expecting? I am expecting is to improve my service utilization. I want to check each and every user account details, and I want to provide a coupon. I want to provide a coupon who is utilizing my vehicle up to more than 30 kilometers. So who are utilizing my vehicle more than 30 kilometers, for them I'm providing a coupon and I'll promote that data. So these are the three things I want to do. So forget about the backend code of this and front end code of this. So this producer Lambda function will produce that data, and I need to process that data from multiple consumers. You can say this account service is one consumer, this coupon service is one consumer, and promotive service is one consumer. Now I want to implement this thing. So to implement this thing, I need a decoupling architecture, right? From here, whenever it puts the data, whenever I got the data into this, we need to put the data into multiple Lambda services, right? In order to process it. Yes. So how do we do that? In order to do that, we have a service. What is that? SNS. By using this Amazon SNS, we can able to process our data parallelly. We can able to process our data parallelly. That means whenever we put some data into this Lambda function, then what happens? This will put some data into this SNS queue. That is, it will put some data into this SNS topic. So there we subscribe these all Lambda functions to that topic, so that these all Lambda functions will get that message and they can process their data, right? Yeah. So you can see here, I want here for coupon service, I want to provide only data that is greater than 30 kilometers, who are the users who drive for more than 30 kilometers. Only that data I want to pick from this SNS messages. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible by using filtering option. While subscription to this SNS topic, I'll even show you how to provide the filtering as well. So let's not wait for that time. Let's do it. Now for this lab, we'll focus on parallelly processing our data by using SNS topic. I have already created these two Lambda functions for you for this lab. Don't worry, I'll show you how to create this Lambda function. That is this Lambda function. How I created these two Lambda functions. In the similar way, I'll create this Lambda function for you for this lab. So for this lab, I'm not going to create this Lambda function or application, but they are present in real time. Now we just move on with this SNS topic creation. and providing some message to this SNS topic and validate do we got the data into this Lambda functions or not by using logs. Which logs? CloudWatch logs, which are already available for these Lambda functions. So first I want to show you how to create this Lambda function. So for this, I'm copying the name, that is a promote to service. Next, I've already logged into my AWS management console. Now I want to open my Lambda function. You can see I'm opening this Lambda function directly from here, or else maybe if you open, then it might not present in the recently visited. Then you can search for here, that is a Lambda, and then just simply open the service. So there it will open you the Lambda service. We can use it for our application related backend code. So currently for this demo, I'm expecting this just to process my data parallelly. So that's why I'm creating one more Lambda function. That is, I already have two Lambda functions. Now I am expecting to create one more Lambda function. Now you can see one Lambda function, that is application service and coupon service. Those two Lambda functions I have already created. Now what I want to create for my architecture, one more Lambda function, that is promote to service Lambda function. So for that, now I'm just clicking on function. So where this function option is available, under Lambda services, you have an option that is functions. There we have an option to create a function, that is at right side. I'm just clicking on create function to create my function, new Lambda function that is related to promote to service. Now I'm pasting the function name here. You can see promote to service, like this. I provided the name. Now I'm choosing the runtime as Python 3.10. That is sufficient for me for this lab. And since I do not have, for this IAM role, I do not have the permissions to create this function. So that's why I'm using the existing IAM role. You can see I'm using this lab role DIY that I'm using. So for that role, I've already provided the permissions to create this. Now I'm not enabling anything, just I'm creating this function. Similar to this only, I have created the other two Lambda functions also. So for you, I created those two to reduce the time for creating them. Now here, I want to put the code. You can see under the Lambda function that is just now created, that is promote to service. Here I want to put the code. So just I'm putting the sample code. Here I'm not processing any. Here I'm just using the code. You can see this is the code I've put in other two Lambda functions as well, where by using this code, whatever the event this Lambda function got, that event just I am taking, and from that event also, since it's a SNS event, right? Yeah. So from that event also, I am just picking what? Message, which is present in SNS topic, and I am printing my service account received message, like that I'm just doing and returning a success message. That's it. I'm expecting to save this code. So that's why I clicked on deploy. You can see our code change was successfully saved. So similar to this, I have saved the change. That is, I have provided the code to other two services as well, other two Lambda functions as well. Now I want to test this before creating an SNS topic and providing a message and checking whether that message is received by all these three Lambda functions after subscribing by using these three Lambda functions to that SNS topic. Now I want to test this with already available events. So for that, I'm just clicking on test. You can see for the first time, it asks you to provide the event configuration. I'm providing the event name as E1 and I'm using the template. So which template you are using? SNS related template, right? So that's why in the search box, I provided that. You can see SNS topic related notification template is there. Now I'm using that. Here, I am just changing the message. You can check for message. This is the message, right? Yeah. I am just changing the message. That is, this is message 1 from SNS topic. This is message 1 from SNS topic. So like that, I have provided the message name and I am just saving this message. That is, I'm saving this event. You can even see that the event is successfully saved. That event is visible here, right? Yeah, even that is ticked, that is picked now, right? Yeah, now I'm just testing this current lambda function. You can see the response is we got, right? Success response we got. And you can see the message, whatever the message that I received, I got, that is this is message 1 from SNS topic, right? Yeah, so this lambda function is working good, and it can able to receive the messages which are coming from SNS topic, and it can even generate me the result, right? Yeah, you can even monitor the result directly from monitoring session. Here you can see CloudWatch logs are there. So there you can go to see immediate results, or else if you want to check the results after 5 minutes to 15 minutes, then those are available in the CloudWatch matrices as well. You can see these CloudWatch dashboards will provide you those matrices. Now I'm just opening the CloudWatch from this view CloudWatch logs for this lambda function. Since I triggered this lambda function for once, it even creates you a log stream. You can see I just opened that CloudWatch log streams of this promotive service for this lambda function. Now you can check that. So a log stream is created for this. You can say I'm opening it, right? Yeah. So this log stream, if you observe, if you observe, whatever the message that we provided, is that visible here? Yes, that is visible here in the log streams of your lambda function. In CloudWatch log groups of your lambda function, there you can even check the messages that your lambda function got, right? Yeah, so what we did till now, so that's we see from here. We have created this promotive service, and there I put some code just to verify that I'm getting the data from this SNS or not, and I just validated that code by generating a default JSON script by using an event, and I checked the output response as well, and I even watched the CloudWatch as well, right? Yeah, even I've created these two lambda functions. Those two also I want to show you for now. You can see under lambda functions, you have other two, that is account service and coupon service also available. Now I'm just opening the account service as well as the coupon services. You can see this is account service. Under this account service, if you see the code, so that is also similar to the code that I have provided in this promotive service. I want to show you the coupon service as well. You can see this is the coupon service lambda function. In this also I provided the same code. So just to see the message that I'm getting from this SNS topic, I've printed this. I'm using these lambda functions. So, but in real time, you use these lambda functions in order to process further, right? So for that, you need to write your code here. Now I'm just moving on with my architecture. You can see we have created these three lambda functions, right? Yeah, for this lab, we have created these three lambda functions. Now what I'm left with, I need to create this SNS topic, right? In order to check whether my data or message that I publish into this SNS topic got published parallelly into these lambda functions or not. I need to create SNS topic, right? Yeah. So let's do that important task now. Let's create this SNS topic now. So for that, I'm just moving back to my AWS management console, and now I'm checking for SNS service. You can see that is visible here. Now I'm just opening it in a new tab. So after, yeah, you can see it is open, right? Yeah. Now I want to provide my topic a name. What name I need to provide for this topic? I want to provide or create a topic with the name that is a right share topic. You can see, directly from SNS dashboard, you have an option to create a topic. Now I provided the topic name. By using this topic name only, it will create the topic. Now I'm just clicking on next step. You can see that is immediately redirected to this page, right? Creating a topic. So that is moving on with the standard topic. I'm just moving on with the default standard topic, and I want to provide the name for this SNS topic that need to display. I want to provide the name as topic display name. So that's why I provided like this. Now, simply that's it. We have just provided our SNS topic type. That is, we move on with the default type, and we provided the name, and we provided the display name. That's it. We are just creating this topic. We are just creating this topic, right? Yeah. You can see a message will be available here. That is a topic with whatever the name that we provided was created successfully. You can see that topic is visible under your topics as well. I'm just opening the topics. Under that topics, you can see the topic that I've created is visible. So inside your SNS topics, you have your topic that is visible. Now I'm opening this topic. I want to provide subscription. You can see under subscriptions currently nothing is there, right? Yeah. So but what I expect, whenever I put some message into this SNS topic, that message need to move parallelly to these lambda functions, right? Yes. So I want that. So in order to move the message that we put into it to these lambda functions, we need to subscribe these lambda functions to this SNS topic. So how to do that? So before doing that, let's test this with publishing a message. You can see I'm just publishing a message, and I'm just providing the subject of this message like A. Like this, I provided a subject of the message, and body, that is a message body. You need to provide something however you want. Message body 1. So like that I provided. Now I'm not providing any attributes currently. I'm just publishing the message to check this message got published successfully or not, and this topic is working correctly or not. You can see the message got published successfully. So where can I see that message? So currently in this, you can't able to see that message. But if you provide the subscriptions based on the subscriber, you can able to see the message from there. You can able to monitor the message from there. Now I'm just clicking on, I'm just expecting to provide the subscription. From here I want to create, and from Lambda service I want to create. I have two options to create these subscriptions. That is, from here I can able to create the subscription, or else directly from AWS Lambda functions we can able to subscribe to this SNS topic, right? Yeah. So how do we subscribe to this SNS topic from Lambda functions? So now I want to show you how to subscribe this account service to that SNS topic. So for that, just click on trigger, add trigger. You can see under, now I'm currently present in my account service Lambda function. Here I'm just adding the trigger, to which I'm adding the trigger. So whenever I got a message in SNS topic, then this Lambda function need to trigger, right? Yeah. So that's why I added the trigger as SNS topic. We need to mention the topic and name here. You can see that is the topic name. Now I'm just adding this. So whenever you add this, you can see the trigger was successfully added to the function, right? Yeah. So now if you publish any message in this SNS topic, then this Lambda function will be triggered, and that will be visible under your CloudWatch log groups. So currently, what are the log groups I have? I have only promote to service log group. So whenever if you provide any SNS topic or any publish any message in this SNS topic, then this will trigger the account service Lambda function, and this account service Lambda function will run this code which is present in it, and it will simply create a log. It will simply create the log group inside your CloudWatch. There you can able to see the output as well. Now let's verify that. Let's publish a message. You can see I'm just clicking on publish a message for this SNS topic. And I'm providing the message name, that is the 01 is the message subject I'm providing, and this is a test message. So this is a test message for which Lambda function I'm providing. So let's say this is the test message. So like that I'm providing, so on. That's it. Now I'm just publishing this message. In order to publish this message, you can just click on the publish message so that this message got published. You can see message published to the topic, right? Yeah, successfully it is published. Now even you can see under subscriptions, whatever the Lambda function that we subscribed, that is even visible here. Which Lambda function we subscribed? We subscribed this account service Lambda function, right? This account service Lambda function we just subscribed to this SNS topic. Since I published a message in this SNS topic, let's move to the CloudWatch. You can see we are under CloudWatch log group now. Now I want to check whether do I got the response visible here or not. So for that, I'm just reloading this. You can see the account service is visible now. Now I'm just opening this. This account service log group is just now created, right? Yeah. So in this log group, if I see the log streams, there you can able to see the message that you published inside your SNS topic. You can see, so where it is, yeah. So this is a test message. This is the message that you published in your SNS topic, right? Yeah. So whenever you published your message in your SNS topic, that immediately polls the message to the Lambda function, or you can say subscribers. So since the subscriber is one Lambda function, this SNS topic will poll the message to that one subscriber only. So for now, for this lab, what I want to subscribe this Lambda function as well. But here, this coupon service Lambda function will only receive the messages, for vehicles which run more than 30 kilometers. Only those related messages this need to receive. So like that, I want to attach or subscribe this Lambda function to this SNS topic. So currently for this Lambda function subscription, I have shown you how to provide this Lambda function subscription for this from this Lambda service. Now I will show you from this SNS topic how to subscribe to this Lambda function. So for that, I'm opening this SNS topic. You can see I opened the SNS topic. This is the ride share topic, right? Yeah. Now from here, I want to show you how to create your subscription. Under subscriptions, you can see an option that is create subscription. Now I'm just clicking on it. Now you can see it immediately came to this page, that is SNS subscriptions, create subscription for the particular topic from where you are expecting to create the subscription. Now I'm expecting to see the protocol. Since I want to trigger Lambda function, now I'm just clicking on it. And I want to provide the endpoint for my Lambda function as well, right? Yeah. So this is the coupon service related Lambda function. So that's why I provided that. Now I want to provide the filter as well. That is, I need to only get the vehicles related data where the vehicles will travel more than 30 kilometers, right? Yeah. So that's why I'm choosing the subscription filter policy and filter policy scope. In this JSON format, I'll provide that as a message attributes. By using message attributes, I'll provide that. Whenever my vehicle rider will ride for more than 30 kilometers, I eventually provide a coupon for him. So in my application, obviously I provide a coupon for him. So during that time, here I will check in the subscription filter only that coupon is available or not. You can see this coupon existence is true. If this coupon existence is true, only that particular messages only will be reached to this Lambda function. You can see coupon service Lambda function will receive only the messages which are having coupon exists is true from this topic, that is a right side topic, right? Yeah. Now I have provided even this filter as well here, and now I'm just clicking on create, so that this subscription got created successfully. You can see subscription to this was created successfully. Now you can even move back to your SNS topics, and there you can see whatever the Lambda function subscription that you provided. Now I'm opening my SNS topic. You can see under subscriptions, we have two Lambda functions related subscriptions available now, right? Yeah. So now let us again publish a message and check whether those two Lambda functions will receive the message parallelly or not. So that's why I'm moving back to this topic. There I'm again clicking on publish message to publish a message, and I'm providing a subject that is 02. Now I'm providing some ideal body for this message. You can see I've provided the details in the form of JSON. That is the customer ID I have provided, and I have provided how much distance he traveled. Since he traveled for 30 kilometers, obviously he have a coupon, right? He'll get a coupon. And timestamp, during this timestamp he traveled, and the cost incurred on him is this much, and return area is this, right? Yeah. So that's it. Now I'm expecting to trigger, or I'm expecting to publish. Before publishing, I want to provide this message attribute as well. It is of type string, and since he have a coupon, that's what I'm providing as a message attribute. You can see that is I'm providing as a message attribute, and what are the coupon that he have, that I'm copying and providing that value, right? Yeah. Now I'm simply publishing this message, right? Yeah, I'm simply publishing this message. You can see message published to the topic, right? Yeah, successfully this message is published to the topic. That means it will poll the messages to these two subscribers. What are my two subscribers? My two subscribers are coupon service and account service, right? So those two services, Lambda service related CloudWatch logs need to be created. So that's why I'm moving back to CloudWatch, and I'm moving back to log groups, and I want to check those two related log groups are available. Yeah, you can see that coupon related service also now available. So since it has the coupon available, existence is there, so that's why it get the coupon, right? Yeah, you can see that coupon related details also available here. So even this is available in one. What is that? That is a this account service, because this account service obviously triggered to that SNS topic, it will get the messages from that, right? Yeah, you can see this is the message that just we pushed it to our SNS topic, right? Yeah, we can even compare these two as well. So we can even compare these two log groups as well. What are the two log groups? This account service as well as coupon service, and create your own dashboard as well from your log insights, which is present under your CloudWatch. You can simply select your log groups. That is account service and coupon service are the two log groups that you want to compare. So that's why you can select those two, and you can query them as well. Now I'm moving on with my query. You can see I've filtered my services based on descending order of limit is 20, and now I'm running the query. You can see under this it will fetch the data and provide you the response as well, right? Yeah, so that data even visible here, right? So only one response is there, that is also this, right? Yeah. Now I want to save this to dashboard, so you can click on add dashboard, so that you can even publish this data to your dashboards as well. So let's say if you do not have any dashboards, you can create them from here by clicking on create. and you can provide the name for this as well, and you just click on create so that your dashboard will be create now. So after your dashboard got created, you can add it to your dashboards, and you can simply save that graph as well based on your requirement. Now I'm saving this, right? Yeah. So in this way, you can able to compare the multiple dashboards and save that as well. Now I'm moving back to my architecture. Here seen, we have subscribed to this. We have created SNS topic and we have subscribed this Lambda function from this SNS topic. And we have even subscribed this Lambda function to this SNS topic directly from this Lambda function by providing a trigger. Now let's subscribe this Lambda function as well to this SNS topic. This we created from the first step. As a first step, we created this Lambda function, right? Let us subscribe this Lambda function to this as well. So for that, I'm moving back to my this SNS topic. Since I'm expecting to subscribe that Lambda function to this, I'm just clicking on create subscription. And now I want to tell the protocol by using what protocol I want to subscribe. By using Lambda function protocol I want to subscribe, and which function you want to subscribe. That is promote service Lambda function. And you need to have any subscription policies. Those also you can able to provide here. Now I want only the messages where the distance traveled is greater than 10 kilometers. So for them only I want to promote the service. So that's why I want to add a subscription filter as well from here. So that's why I selected this. Based on message attributes I want to add. So that's why I added like this. That is a distance parameter where numerical value which is greater than 10. So for them only I want to provide this promotive service. So that's why I'm clicking on create subscription. Before clicking on create subscription, I want to show you again for this SNS topic, I'm subscribing this promotive service Lambda function where the distance is greater than 10 kilometers. So that's it. I'm just creating the subscription, and again I want to run an SNS topic to validate it. So for this, I'm just moving back to my SNS topic. There, I'm again publishing the message, one more message here to check whether my subscription message got visible or not. 03 I have provided, and here I'm pasting this message. This is the third customer. Let's say he traveled a distance of 3 kilometers, 10 kilometers exactly. Let's say 11 kilometers. So that I'll get the message, even this message to my third vehicle, right? That is to my third one, third Lambda function also, right? Yeah. So that's why I provided this. And I want to provide this string as well. This is a string type. And the attribute is a distance, which is a greater than a value. What is the distance? That is 11. So that's why I'm providing here 11. Now I'm just publishing this. Oh, I'm just publishing this message. Now let's move back to this CloudWatch logs. There you can able to see that will be updated into your. Now I'm just opening this CloudWatch log groups. There it will even update your log group 3 where it will be available in this promote service, right? Yeah. So that even updated here in this log group as well, right? Yeah. So like this, you can able to create your function. That is, you can able to send your data to multiple services parallelly, and that related data is visible in your Lambda functions. You can see there's a third customer related data that is even visible here, right? Yeah. So by using this SNS topic, you can able to process your data parallelly like this. And you can able to send your data to multiple services That's the main motto of this lab. We have created our SNS topic, and we used this as a decoupling architecture, and we provided the message that we published into this SNS topic to multiple Lambda functions, and even we filtered what are the messages that we store under this SNS topic to other Lambda functions by providing a subscription policy, right? By providing a subscription policy filters, we can even filter the messages which are coming, which are published to this SNS topic or and fold to this Lambda functions, or you can say subscribers. So by using these Lambda functions, we have seen how to subscribe to this SNS topic as well. So I hope this video is useful to you and you got some knowledge regarding hands-on implementation of this SNS topic as a decoupling architecture service in real time. I hope this video is useful. If you feel this video is useful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye, guys.